welcome. Today I am going to be working on my website, and I'm going to be trying to get my CSS files to work from another page. So I am actually going to rename this to just CSS, and that should allow me to go ahead and open the page. Okay, so I just get the URL. See, okay. And then for now I am just going to do it with the let's go ahead and do it with featuredpeople.html, because that'll be easiest to modify, well, easiest to tell. Okay, so can I? No, okay. Where is it? Featured people. Okay, so if I actually paste that, okay, and then I open this one, create a folder called CSS, and I go to here. Okay, grab the featuredpeople.css contents, Control-C, Control-C, okay, Replit CSS, okay, and then new file, featuredpeople.css, okay, and paste that, make sure it saves, and run it as well. Okay, and let's see if it worked. Alright, it seems like it worked. Oops. Nope, don't want to. Hang on, where is it? Okay. And then if I actually go ahead and let's change the padding to 20 pixels for now, wait for it to save. Okay, it's saved. Now, if I reload, it should. Okay, let's change it back to 10. Give it a little bit to. Okay, and only watch it. Yep, okay, that works. So, what I can do is, if I just if I actually download it, okay, I'm going to pause the recording real quick. Okay, so I've realized I can just download each individual file, which is going to be annoying, but it won't have to download every single thing. download, man, okay, so, sorting by file name, okay. So I've got about, okay, so I've got holiday countdown. Okay, so I need to download index.css. And then MC textures, media I like. Oops. Delete that copy. Yes, I meant to download it, not duplicate it. Navigation bar .css, official accounts .css, playlists.css, project.css, rainbow.css. Let's get scroll, site search, skins, social icon, Terraria textures, and Twitter feed.css. Okay, featured people. Okay, so if I download this, okay, so now I just delete that real quick. Create new folder. I'm gonna name it CSS. Okay. Put all this in here. Move. Okay, and then if I upload that folder, downloads CSS upload. So that will upload all of those files into a folder called CSS. And then, okay, it's there. Okay, I thought it wasn't. Okay, let me just make sure it's still works. Okay. Now, if I go here, I can actually delete these. Can I? No, I can't select. Okay. If I delete all of this, yeah, I didn't get all pages right. Yeah, okay, I got all of that. Okay. Button, ender, fidget. Actually, how many are here? 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, I deleted 2. So, yeah, this should work. Delete all this. I wish I could just delete the folder and everything in it, but if I delete the folder, everything's just going to spill out and, oops, everything's going to just spill out and not get deleted. And what I mean by spill out is it's just going to go everywhere. It's going to be mixed in with all the other stuff that's not in a folder, which is kind of annoying. But I guess if you accidentally delete a folder that you didn't want to delete everything in, then it makes sense. Okay. Delete. 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 Okay, and now I can delete the folder. Delete the folder. Okay, and now I just gotta go on everything. Okay, and change the URL to have this. Control V. This is gonna be a lot of copying and pasting. So, in fact, I'm going to pause the recording until I get it finished. Okay. So, I'm almost done. Okay, I've just got one left. So I'm going to go in here. Control find. Quotation mark CSS. Not CD. It's not CSD set. Not CSD set. Not CSDS, CSS. Okay, select all, Control V. Okay, and now, if that worked, then nothing should be broken. Okay, that looks right. That looks right. My projects. That's right. Holiday countdowns. That looks right. Playlists. That's probably. Yeah, that doesn't really have much styling. Okay, everything looks correct. Okay. Alright, so that works. Okay, template. Okay, Replit. Okay, CSS. Twitter feed. Okay, now what I can do is probably. No, I won't do that yet. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new HTML JavaScript. Create that. Okay. And let me see if this will work. Okay, so site search.javascript. Let's download that. Okay. Yeah. Download the navigation bar. Okay. Alright, and then let me. Why am I downloading that? I meant to delete it. Yes, delete style.css. No, wait. upload file, downloads. Can I select? Okay, I can select multiple. Okay, and now if I copy that URL, go back to here, and if I go to where the navigation bar is, okay, and if okay, so this is on the Twitter feed page, so actually first I'm going to test it on, let's actually test it on index.html first. Okay, so Control V, and then just add the slash in. Then go to the main page. Make sure it's saved. Okay, it did. Alright, so it looks like it worked. So now if I just see, okay. Alright, now I just need to V okay, and then is the footer working still? I do have the footer. Hang on, I don't have the footer. Where is the footer? Here it is. Download that. Okay. Then upload it here. Downloads. Footer. Okay. And now this should work. Alright. It worked. Perfect. Wait. I did switch it. Yeah, okay. Alright. So now I'm going to go ahead and do that in all of the things. And I'll be right back. Alright, let's see if it worked properly. I decided to actually keep the navigation bar in the footer. And the site search JavaScript files in the main thing, because those I'm going to have to modify more often. However, the stuff for calculating this stuff, I'm not going to have to modify probably ever, unless I find a problem with that. Random quotes, I'm probably not going to modify much. So now I need to make sure that everything is working properly before I actually delete the original files. Okay, all this is working. These are working. Alright, so that looks like everything should be working. Now the site search isn't complete, and it's actually not really a search, it's more of a thing you look through to find what you need. So, yeah. It's more like an index. So it looks right. Looks like everything should be good. And now I can delete these files because I've downloaded all of them. Okay. Actually, I should have double checked that I had downloaded all of them. Yeah, I don't think anything's missing. Okay. I'll notice at some point if something is missing, and then I'll have to remake it completely. So, but it'll be fine. Media. I'm not gonna bother with that. That's too much. Maybe some other time. But yeah. So now I have everything except for 3 JavaScript files in another thing to slightly reduce the amount of storage I'm using, because I can only use 1,024 megabytes, so 1 gigabyte of storage. So yeah. See, if you look at this, so yeah, in the RAM and the CPU for the resources for the cloud machine. Yeah, that's what these are. About RAM. So yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Now I've cut down a little bit of the storage used. Yeah. And everything still seems to be working properly, which is good. And let me go ahead and close that and check on this. And yeah. Let me actually show you how easy it is for me to add someone to the... Oh man, anyways, let me show you how easy it is to add something to the navigation bar. Okay, so all that's important for adding an item is this. Okay, list item, and then the class, navigation bar item, the ID, which is going to be unique to that tab, then the link for it. Okay. So this is the name of the HTML file that it will redirect to. This is what it will display on the tab. So that's all I need. Just, you know. And so, yeah. That's all I need for the thing. So that it adds a new navigation bar item. So say I don't have enough home tabs. I can add 2 more. And just at the end and refresh. And they're there. And now, of course, the ID has to be unique because the CSS uses the ID. So, of course, if the ID is already used, which I can assign them any ID I want, pretty much. It'll, think it's that. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and delete that. Okay. So, yeah. So that's how that works. Anyways, I am going to go ahead and leave this here and go ahead and end the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.